London's a wonderful sight, with the people here working by day and by night. They don't sow potatoes, nor barley, nor wheat, but there's gangs of them digging for gold in the street. But at least when I asked them, that's what I was told. So I just took a hand at this digging for gold. But for all that I found there, I might as well be in the place where the dark morn sweep down to the sea. There's beautiful girls here, oh, never you mind. Beautiful shapes nature never designed. Lovely complexions of roses and creams. But let me remark, with regard to the same, that if at those roses you venture to sip, the colors might all come away on your lips. But I'll wait for the wild rose that's waiting for me in the place where the dark morn sweep down to the sea. You remember young Danny McLaren, of course. Well, now he's over here with the rest of the force. I saw him one day as I was passing the Strand, and he stopped the whole street with one wave of his hand. And as we were talking of days that are gone, the whole town of London stood there to look on. But for all his great powers, he's wishful like me, to be back where the dark morn sweep down to the sea. But for all his great powers, he's wishful like me, to be back where the dark morn sweep down to the sea.